And some caulking on the bottom of the windows here. Just had a little trickle of water when it rained. So I'm putting this on. Well, it's kind of messy now. This is what I'm using. The molding right here had separated a little bit, and I think that's where some water was going in. So I'm caulking that to fill it in. And by using the black, it doesn't show up. By putting the tape above it and below it, and then smoothing it in with my finger, I get a nice neat line that hopefully won't even show up. Okay, now I'm going to take the tape off. So you can see where the gap is. That does show up a little bit, but hopefully that's protected. But there's the caulking there, the sealant. It is silicone, and I think it's not even going to be noticeable from what I'm seeing. So that was a win. That worked. See you on the next video.